In today's episode of After the Bell, we're going to cover earnings from Berkshire Hathaway, Workhorse, and of course AMC reporting today as well. And then we're going to cover news from Bitcoin, big news that I just did a video on a little bit earlier. And then we're going to cover your top gainers and losers in the market as well. So stick around. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Happy Monday. It's August 9th, 2021. I hope you're all doing well and had a fantastic weekend. It is a big day here for cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin is doing really well on the day, and other cryptocurrencies as well. We're of course going to talk about Workhorse, Berkshire Hathaway, and stick around at the end of the video. We're going to cover earnings for AMC, and it was way better than expected, and that was really exciting. And then right now we're going to cover your major indices and then your top gainers and losers after the bell. So let's jump over to TipRanks.com. We have the S&P 500 down slightly today, right around 0.1%. Same deal with the Dow Jones, down about 0.3% on the day, and then the Nasdaq up slightly, up 0.16% on the day. But take a look at Bitcoin. It was at one point well over $46,000 per coin. We had right now Bitcoin up 4% on the day, but massive day for Bitcoin because the Senate came out and said, look, we're not going to regulate crypto and Bitcoin as much as other senators were hoping. And that was kind of weighing on crypto and Bitcoin over the past couple weeks because they started introducing cryptocurrency amendments into this infrastructure bill that it looks like soon will pass. So this is really exciting stuff. Not quite out of the woods yet for Bitcoin and crypto, but a bipartisan deal has been reached. So that's why Bitcoin is really jumping on this news, and the Treasury and some other departments in the government are backing this as well. So this is good stuff. All right, let's jump over to stocks on the move. We have your top losers on the list real quick. Let's cover Squarespace, 7% down on the day. SalesPoint Technology, 8% down. We have Smile Direct Club down 13.5%. Fulgent Genetics down almost 15%, and then Reata Pharmaceuticals down almost 20% after the bell. So big price movements there. We have 3D Systems, ticker symbol DDD, up almost 11% after the bell. Halozyme, ticker symbol HALO, up almost 12% after the bell. Bach Financial, ticker symbol BOKF, up 12% after the bell. And Fisker up 12% as well. Ticker symbols there is FSR, up 14% on the day. And the number one spot after the bell here is RELX. That's the company there. All right, let's jump over to earnings for Workhorse Group. They missed on revenue. Obviously, their expectations after losing that USPS contract there. Workhorse Group reported a net loss of $43.6 million, revenue of $1.2 million on the quarter. That was up 30% year over year, but they missed by $4.22 million. After the bell, shares are slightly up 0.29%. In normal trading, Workhorse was up almost 2% on the day for ticker symbol WKHS. This comes with a moderate buy based on 6 analyst ratings with an average upside now of 24%. But if you actually dig into it, take a peek at the charts over the past year, guys, this was a $40 stock not that long ago. In fact, in February, and now they're right around that SPAC price at $10. This was a SPAC last year. So not looking fantastic for WKHS. All right, let's move on to Berkshire Hathaway. Operating earnings jump, and Buffett continues to buy back stock. They bought back $6.6 billion of Berkshire Hathaway shares after a record $24.7 billion in buybacks last year. And Berkshire has a ton, and I mean a ton, of cash on hand. One thing I want to talk about regarding all the money that Berkshire Hathaway has on hand, a lot of investors tend to see that as kind of an ominous sign and a sign of the times, because when Warren Buffett hangs on to cash, and I'm talking a lot of cash, we're talking almost $150 billion of cash on hand in the Berkshire Bank, this tends to be sort of a bad omen for the market, because when Warren Buffett holds on to cash, it means he's looking and hoping for deals relatively soon. Warren Buffett is traditionally very, very smart with the money that Berkshire Hathaway has, and some people see this as a sign of a crash to come. So something to keep in mind, something to note when Berkshire Hathaway has so much cash on hand. Something to check into. All right, Berkshire Hathaway B, ticker symbol BRK.B, comes with a moderate buy based on one rating with an average upside of 14.5%. They are up slightly after hours, but pretty flat overall today and after hours. All right, last company we're going to cover for earnings is, of course, AMC. They reported a narrower than expected loss, but the CEO says AMC isn't out of the woods yet. But loss per share was 71 cents per share versus 91 cents expected. Revenue was $445 million versus $382 million expected. So that was exciting to see for AMC, and because of that, AMC stock is performing well during the day, but also after hours, up 5.21% after the bell. Guys, thank you so much for joining me for today's After the Bell update. I hope you all are doing well and had a fantastic weekend. If you aren't subscribed here already, I post at least 2 videos per day here on the channel, including this one and another stock market or cryptocurrency related video. And then Julie posts all the time too. So if you aren't subscribed already, go ahead and do that and hit the notification bell so you can get notified each and every time we post here on the channel. Guys, thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one.